Welcome to the Electrical Innovations videos on a guide to how to use the Pyronix Enforcer. In this video I'm going to show you how to change a user code or set a new one up. The first thing we're going to do is head into the manager menu by pressing D. Now this can be two types of menu. It can be a manager's menu if you insert your manager code, or it can be a user menu if you put in your user code. So the first thing we're going to do is go into the manager menu and create a new user, and then we'll show you how to change that user code at a later date. We're going to cycle through this menu by pressing no until we get to the menu which is edit users, and we're going to press yes to answer that menu. We're going to add a new user, yes, and as you can see I've already got some users set up in the system, but we're just going to add another one right now. We're going to choose a new user code and we're just going to put 9999, press yes, and we're just going to go through these questions and answer them all right now. So we just want it to be a standard user, and we just want to be able to set areas A and B because C and D aren't in use. You might wonder why it makes any difference. The difference is if you use the app, when you log in with that username, areas C and D will show up. If they're not actually able to be accessed by that user, they're not going to show. You want to be able to set and unset the system, but in the case that you only wanted to be able to come in or out of the property, you can change them options here. You do want the ability to flexible set. That means you want to be able to choose between A or B. And then we're going to choose the username Ben, why not? Okay, so now we've set that user with the user code 999, we're going to access the user menu and change. So once you've got your user code set, you can now use that user code to access the user menu, similar to the manager menu but a little bit different, to change the code. So you press D and you type in the code that you've just set. You've got a reduced amount of functionality here compared to what you had in the manager's menu, and it's only giving you control over the things that you can control as a user, and one of them is change the code. Press yes and you just type in your new code. It's as simple as that. 1 2 3 4. Yes, that's done. So now we'll press no to exit this menu. Exit user menu, press yes, or at any time you could just press A to exit the menu. Now we're back in here, you can check your code works, set areas A or B, and that's it.